Today we'll show you how to make your mouse it's so super speed. Okay, just guys follow the steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Did you see my mouse? It's no speed so much. Okay, just follow the steps. First open your search and go right here like a mouse. Okay, just to write this is a mouse. Okay, and after when you're writing this, just go now to the first in your result. Okay, click, and will be now make here like speed for your mouse, like a VTS. Okay, like speed. Okay, you can now make it so much, and will be finally it's like super speed. Did you see guys, like super speed? Okay, and you can click like this is for a go, like this. Here you can like in the right, in the left, you can like a button principle of this like a mouse. Okay, so every time the default like a principle, the story it's like in the left, but you can choose in the right, in the left, you can do everything. Okay guys, just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.